This Slickbox video shows an installation for the Mercedes Metris rear and side doors. Begin rear door installation by locating the two black lock blocks midway up the center of the doors. Measure down 1/2 inch from each block and mark with a pencil or tape. Hold the left bracket in place, with the door edge aligned with the middle of the V notches on the top and bottom of the brackets. While holding the bracket in place, trace mounting holes with a pencil. Do the same process for the right rear door. Drill 4 pilot holes with a 1/8 inch drill bit in the center of each mounting hole. Mount the brackets in place using the supplied self-drilling Phillips head screws. Align brackets as necessary and tighten screws down. Install Slicklock's puck lock to check for proper fit. Always use a Slicklock spinner on every puck lock. To begin sliding door installation, slide door to full open position. Locate striker plate at rear of van door jamb. Remove the two T40 bolts holding onto the striker plate. Place slider bracket onto the mounting holes and temporarily install bracket with striker plate on top of the slider bracket. Very slowly, close the sliding door to check for proper clearance to door edge. Use masking tape to outline the area that the bracket lays on the van side panel. If needed, the bracket can be bent slightly for a proper fit. Now remove the bracket and apply the clear paint protector on the surface inside the outlined area. Reinstall the slider bracket in the same location and tighten the star bolts. Close the door slowly to recheck for proper clearances. Close door firmly and apply second clear paint protector to the sliding door. Install Slicklock's puck lock on the bracket. Always use Slicklock spinners on every puck lock.